We finally have confirmation over some of Hazbin Hotel character sexualities, and it's hilarious. We already knew about some of the main cast, like Charlie is bi, Angel is gay, Husky's my pansexual king, etc. But now we have the canon sexualities for the V's, with Vox being bi, Valentino pan, and Velvet is Lebanese. Oh, and Pinchas and Cherry are bi. But I think the funniest one was Lucifer. No, cause I remember the sudden boom of Radio Apple and how all of the haters gathered to cuss the sheepers by explaining how Lucifer was straight. Well, f you all, cause he's actually pansexual. Okay, but for real though, can we talk about the abundance of pansexuals in the Helliverse? No, cause I counted. There's like 8 pan characters that we know of. Kitchen tools are gonna take over the universe at this point. What?